Hi everyone, welcome to Techfy Finance. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can transfer money from one Webmoney account to another. I will also be showing you how you can convert WMZ to WME, which is from dollars to euros, and also how you can buy Bitcoin on Webmoney by converting your WME or WMZ to WMX. So to get started, all what you need to do is log into your account, and then you are going to come over here and then press on my pace. So after clicking on my pace, you are going to be directed to your Webmoney wallet keeper. So in here, in order to transfer money, you either need this number here, which is the WMID, or you need the WMZ number, which is the dollar account number. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make two transfers, one using this number here, the WMID, and another transfer I'm going to use the WMZ number, just to show you that it works either way. So what I've done here is that I've logged into another Webmoney account, my friend's account, and you can see the balance here is $0. So I'm going to transfer money from my account into this account just to show you how it is done. So I'm going to copy this number for the first transaction, then I will go to my account and send money to this account. So to send money, I just need to come and press on here where it is written transfer. Then I need to press to a paste. Then in here, I just need to paste the WMZ number where I'm sending money to. Then the amount I want to send, I'll just send $1. Then you need to write something here, so I'll just say maybe to a friend. Then here you can leave it as it is normal. Then you just press next. So you can see over here that I'm sending $1, and you just need to confirm here to see if the account you are sending money to is correct. Then there are two ways of confirming the transaction. One, you need to download the Webmoney application. That way you receive a notification message just to confirm the transaction, or you can choose to receive an SMS. But if you use an SMS for confirmation, you will be charged like 5 cents. So to avoid paying this, you can just go ahead and download the Webmoney app on Play Store or Apple Store. So I'll go on and confirm using the application since I have the application. So I'll just need to press next. Then on here, I need to enter the confirmation code sent to my mobile phone number. So after confirming the transaction, you can see that my balance has been reduced by $1. So what we will do, we will go to that other account and see if the money has been received. So I'll just come to my friend's account and check. So I will refresh. Yes, you can see over here that the account has been recharged with $1. So I will go ahead and show you again how you can do it using this number. So I'll just copy this number and go to my account and make another transfer. We'll just follow the same procedure. We come here, we press on it to a paste. Then we paste that number here. Then I'll send also just $1. Then to a friend as well. I'll write again to a friend. Then I will press next. You just need to check there and confirm if everything is okay. If you see that everything is correct, you can just go ahead and press next. If you want to receive an SMS, let me just show you. So you can just press using the confirmation. If you want to receive the SMS, you can use this one and still press next. Then you just need to enter the code sent to your mobile phone number. So you can see over here that my balance has reduced from 3 to 2. So it means that the money has been sent. We can just go ahead again and check my friend's account to see if the money has been received. So you can see over here that my friend now has $2. So it means it doesn't matter whether you are using this number here or this number. You can use either of the two. You can still be able to transfer money on Webmoney. If you are getting value from this video, be sure to hit the like button. In that way, you'll be helping this video to reach many more other people. Now that I've shown you how you can transfer money on Webmoney, let me now show you how you can convert money within your account from dollars to euros or how you can move money from your dollar account to your Bitcoin account. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to move $1 from my WMZ account to my Euro account. So I just need to press on transfer, then I press on to currency exchange. Then if I want to exchange to Euro, I just need to press on the WME. Then here I just need to enter the amount I want to transfer. So I'll transfer $1. So I'll be transferring $1, but I'll be receiving 85 cents on my Euro account. So I just need to press OK and then I confirm. So you can see over here that $1 has been moved from my dollar account to my Euro account. I now have 0.85 euros on my account. Now, what if you want to transfer money to your Bitcoin account? You also still do the same. So you just need to come on transfer and press on transfer. Then you press the second option. You need to press the WMX wallet. Then there you just need to enter the amount you want to convert to Bitcoin. So I'll also be converting $1. Then I'll just press OK and then I confirm. Just like that, you can see that $1 has been debited from my WMZ account, which is my dollar account, and it has been credited to my Bitcoin account. So you have seen that transferring money on Webmoney is not only easy and simple, it is also very cheap and so fast. So you can go ahead and start using Webmoney to transfer money to your loved ones, or if you have someone to pay, you can go ahead and pay them using Webmoney. Thank you very much for watching all the way to the end. If you enjoyed watching this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and write something in the comment section below. I'll be happy to chat with you. If you want more videos like this one in the future, be sure to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.